I've been doing 2 10-minute sessions every day, and I just started a few weeks ago as well. But I drove back from Detroit this last week in the dark, and I felt like my vision was so much better. I was scared to death that I wouldn't be able to do it, that I'd have some problems. And honestly, it was amazing that I could see that well. So I'm so grateful.
So, Vicky, can you tell us what your diagnosis is and how long you've been in the program? Oh,
I have macular degeneration in my right eye, and they were afraid that I'd have to start injections within the next couple of months. And then I started some other programs as well with some different vitamins and some eye drops, and it kind of stabilized, but I was still having some vision issues. And it's still dry. And I think that this actually, the night vision thing, that was a piece that I had no idea what was going on because that isn't something we discussed. And I was thrilled to death to have that back.
yay. And to answer your question about that, absolutely. This light sensitivity and issues with night vision are a big part of macular degeneration for many, many people. So seeing that as an early symptom reducing is a very positive result and common with what we are working with.
Well, that is great to hear because I was so surprised when I got out on the expressway and thought, oh my gosh, I can see like I used to.